Shiny2 here, playing Pokemon Heart Gold. Sorry for the bad camera, I just have an iPad here. And let's start. I'm already done with the game, by the way, so don't expect anything too special. Just doing an introduction, a little tiny introduction. Won't be too long, but let's go ahead and show you my PC. Just how good my Pokemon are. I really wish Nintendo Wi-Fi connection was still up. Just like all the rest of you, it's kind of like something we're always crying out for. Nintendo. Sorry, that's fixed the wall. Okay. Yeah, I kind of messed up the name here, so this is Nash Pokemon. Okay. Pokemon right here, and then got more shinies in here. I know it's crazy. Shiny. Oh, this is my mascot. This is my official mascot, Shiny2. Yeah, that's it. These are more shinies. This is more shinies. Okay, you get the idea. These are all shiny in here. Then I have my legendary slash mythical legendary. You can see I have Mew, Arceus, all the more shinies are in here. Those mythical ones shiny. And actually, I have another egg. This is a Manaphy egg. And whoever comes here first and says, if one of my friends sees this and has a Pokemon game and wants it, I can get it to you. Speaking to certain people, I don't think anyone's going to be able to get it. These are all my regular Pokemon. And that's about it in the PC. And going out. Switch off. Who's calling me? Genie? Okay. Let's just get out of here. Okay. I'm going to show you my team. This is my team. Yeah, Charizard, 66. This team is not shiny. And in the description, I'll tell you about how I got all those shinies. Don't get mad about what I tell you about. So, we're going into Pokemon City. There's nothing really to do anymore, but it's just as boring as a Mega Ruby, except it's probably a little less fun. So, that was our Heart Gold introduction. We're gonna do some more stuff. I'm gonna reveal some codes a little later. But for now, let's just say this was an introduction, and, well, bye!